Alright, Andre, here's my Sprint 1. This red screen is basically just a holder screen for my attractor mode when I have it. If you hit 1, the game starts up. Here's my mushroom field and my blaster. My blaster is restricted to the set movement zone. I can collide with mushrooms, and I can also shoot them when I return. Sorry, I forgot I changed what button it was for shooting. The return fires. I don't actually have the one bullet on screen yet. I have a little text file that I dropped in Sprint 1 that explains basically everything I did, and I'll show you as well. But my mushrooms show damage, and my blaster collides with them. For my code, mushroom field, the way I set up my mushroom field is this field is a pointer to, is an array of pointers to an array of pointers to mushrooms, and that's effectively how I have my grid set up. Field rows, field columns are defined that I have set just in case the designer feels like changing how big he wants his grid size to be for the Centipede game. And then I have a function called populate field, which basically randomly generates 30 to 50 mushrooms and puts them on the field using grid coordinates, and then it sends to the mushroom field these grid coordinates multiplied by a grid offset, which is basically 16, to get the correct alignment in pixel position as from going from the integers for the grids in the array. My mushroom, the way I use my mushroom to show damage is I'm effectively using in the update loop excuse me, changing the frame that the mushroom is set to based on damage, which right now it's set for health and poison. Health is initialized at 0. If it gets poison, the poison health will come in. I haven't actually initialized that yet, but it's there, and it's ready to work as soon as I update the mushrooms to be poison. My blaster sucks right now. It's the basic, Sprint 1 blaster, which I don't like. I'm in the process of refactoring, but I wanted to send this to you before I refactor it and maybe break my code. So right now it's just a bunch of if block statements for movement and a key check for firing, which is why I have more than one bullet on the screen. And I do have my bullet set up has a pointer to the blaster, so I am ready to initiate the observer pattern, so I can set a callback for the bullet to the blaster. I just was having trouble doing it, and didn't really want to waste too much time in getting that done and potentially breaking things, so I'm going to refactor it now, and hopefully by the end of this weekend, next week, when we start the next sprint, finish next sprint, it'll all be done and ready for you. Alright.